Garmin watches sometimes struggle to sync data with phones due to Bluetooth connectivity issues and app integration problems. These issues can manifest as missing activity logs, unsynced steps, or delayed notifications. Don't worry, these problems are often easily fixed with a few troubleshooting steps. The primary causes are usually related to Bluetooth connection problems, software issues, or incorrect permissions on your phone. Since early 2025, Garmin has continued to improve and refine its software and hardware through software updates and refinements. Garmin watches rely on Bluetooth Low Energy to communicate with your phone. This wireless technology allows for efficient, low-power data transfer between devices. The Garmin Connect app acts as a bridge between your watch and phone. It syncs data to the cloud and enables features like smart notifications. The initial pairing process is crucial for establishing this connection. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both your watch and phone. Second, stay within 10 meters of your phone during pairing. Third, avoid interference from other devices like Wi-Fi routers. The Garmin Connect app requires specific permissions on your phone to function correctly. Location access allows the app to use GPS data. Background app refresh keeps the app running in the background. Notification permissions enable smart alerts from your phone. The first and often most effective step is to restart both your Garmin watch and your smartphone. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection. After restarting, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and ensure your Garmin watch is connected. The settings menu should show the watch as paired and connected. If it's not connected, try unpairing and repairing the devices. This refreshes the Bluetooth bond and often resolves connection issues. Also, make sure your watch is within range of your phone, ideally within 10 meters, and that there are no obstructions or interference like Wi-Fi routers or other devices. These basic troubleshooting steps, restarting devices, checking Bluetooth settings, repairing when needed, and ensuring proper range, resolve most Garmin watch sync issues. The Garmin Connect app needs specific permissions on your phone to sync data properly with your watch. These include location access to enable GPS features, background app refresh to allow continuous syncing even when the app isn't open, and storage access to save activity data and firmware updates. Outdated software is a common cause of syncing problems with Garmin watches. Old app versions may have bugs that prevent proper Bluetooth communication, while outdated watch firmware can cause data transmission errors. Always check for updates in the Garmin Connect app itself, and also in your phone's app store like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Keeping both the app and your watch firmware current resolves most connectivity issues. If updating the app doesn't resolve the syncing issue, try clearing the cache and data of the Garmin Connect app. On Android devices, start by opening your phone's Settings app. Then, navigate to Apps or Application Manager in the Settings menu. Find and tap on Garmin Connect from the list of apps. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache to access the app's data options. Finally, tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data to reset the app's stored information. On iOS devices, clearing app data requires offloading or reinstalling the app. First, press and hold the Garmin Connect app icon on your home screen. Then select Offload App to remove the app while keeping its data, or Delete App to fully remove it. Afterward, reinstall Garmin Connect from the App Store to get a fresh version of the app. Remember that clearing data will require you to log back into the Garmin Connect app after these steps. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset on your Garmin watch. This will erase all data on the watch and restore it to its original settings. Consult your watch's user manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset, as the process varies depending on the model. Perform the factory reset on your watch. This will erase all data and restore original settings. After the reset, you'll need to repair the watch with your phone and set it up again. In some cases, VPNs or corporate firewalls can interfere with the Garmin Connect app's ability to sync data. This commonly occurs in workplace settings where network security measures block connections. Here's how it works. Your phone tries to connect through the VPN or firewall to reach your watch, but security restrictions can block the data transfer. First, try disabling your VPN temporarily. Turn it off completely and check if the sync works. This helps identify if the VPN is the cause of the problem. If you're on a corporate network, you may need to whitelist the Garmin Connect app. This allows it to bypass firewall restrictions and establish the connection properly. Always consult your IT department for assistance with whitelisting or network configuration. They can provide specific guidance for your organization's security policies. Garmin is continuously working to improve connectivity through AI-driven solutions. The Garmin Connect app now uses machine learning to predict and prevent sync failures by analyzing user patterns. Future Garmin watches may include satellite-based sync options, allowing data transfer in remote areas without phone reliance. This will enable connectivity even in areas with poor cellular coverage. Staying informed about the latest updates and features will help minimize connectivity issues and ensure a seamless user experience. Also note that issues after OS updates like Android 16 and iOS 18 are common and often quickly resolved with software patches from Garmin. These proactive solutions and trends ensure that Garmin watches will continue to provide reliable connectivity and enhance the user experience.